Almost forgot my phone. Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I'm actually on my way out. Let me grab my iPad. The iPad charges so slow, but it lasts a really long time without like dying, so I guess maybe that's why. Oh my god, I'm trying to carry too many things in my hands. You know what, I'll meet you guys in the car because I don't have enough free hands. I have to go to a doctor's appointment just like for a regular checkup, like your yearly checkup. And I'm so annoyed because they want me to get blood work done. And I hate needles, like I hate getting blood work done. And they also wanted me to fast and I'm so hungry. I'm dying for some coffee, but whatever. It's a new doctor that I'm trying out, and I also want to talk to her about my tendinitis because so I've been told by other doctors that I have tendinitis. It's super painful, like your tendons just get inflamed. Like for me it's in my hand and it shoots up to my elbows when it's really bad from all the like typing and being on the phone and stuff. It's really from all the editing. Like when I'm editing my hands hurt so much. So I'm basically gonna get like a third opinion right now because in the past both doctors have said I don't have carpal tunnel, that it's tendinitis. But I don't know, like I just want more info. Like I want to know what else can I do because it's so painful and I need something. I need to figure out something that's gonna help me other than just taking pills, because I don't want to do, I like never take the pills, but I only take it like if I'm in severe pain. But I need to figure out what else I can do. Guys, I just left my doctor's appointment. Everything went fine. She didn't really have anything for me for my tendinitis, so she's like, well, just keep doing what you're doing. And I'm like, great, thanks. That really helps. Just finished having lunch with Nadia. They opened up Sephora at Riverside Square Mall, and it's the best thing ever. It's so convenient here. Don't come to Sephora with Nadia, guys.
Don't come with Melissa,
because she will make you buy stuff you don't need. I'm kidding. You know what I just realized? I bought 2 lip liners and they're like probably the same nude shade.
You bought 2 lip? I didn't know you bought 2 lip liners.
I bought 2 lip liners, Lolita, and then I bought the Bite Beauty.
See, I didn't do that. That was all her. I told you to get the pencil.
I know.
And you didn't even get it.
I got 2 lip liners. Because, you know,
but we almost spent like $300 each in there.
I know, we kept picking stuff up and we're like, oh my god, they have this, they have that. And then we're like, calm down.
So you need it.
We can come back another day if we really want it. Alright, we're gonna go pick up our kids now. Oh. Thank you. You're welcome. Nadia's gonna pick up her kids. I'm gonna pick up my child, Ayla.
I'm actually super late. Let's tell her.
Okay, this weather's so beautiful. It did not say it was gonna be like this.
It's supposed to be cloudy and cold.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a hoodie.
I know, you're like winter.
I'm like fall right now.
Yeah. Alright, let's tell them. Guys, so Drake just announced that he's going on tour this summer. And the tour is called, first of all, Ayla has always said she wanted to go to the concert if he goes on tour again. Because I went a couple years ago, the last time he went on tour. And so the tour is called Aubrey and the Three Amigos, because it's Drake and Migos. It's their tour. So Ayla, are you gonna see it? Yeah, you guys gotta see it. Maybe we'll put like I'll put a photo of the tour. So it's Aubrey and the Three Amigos. So Ayla's like, can you take me? And I was like, you gotta ask your parents if you're even allowed to go to the Drake concert. And she's like, what if I asked if I can go to the Aubrey concert instead? I don't know, that was so funny to us. I mean it's Aubrey. It's Aubrey's concert. It means this is a new person. Like, this is him. This is Aubrey. This is sweet little Aubrey.
Oh my god, my
sweet little mama's boy Aubrey.
Maybe like, I don't know. Maybe if you ask.
Should I go to your house tonight and ask them?
Yes.
We also have to see how much the tickets are.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh my god, we have the most awkward interactions when the camera's off. I wish you guys would have seen what happened to us. It's not really happened to us, but I don't even want to explain it because it was just stupid. Involving someone else here. Alright, we're Barnes & Noble because Ayla wanted a new book because she finished, I think she's reading a series and she finished the last one. So we got that. Look at my baby. She's so cute. Oh, did you notice I have brown hair now?
Oh my god, you do.
How do Stephanie dyed it on Friday night. Is it the same color now, our hair? Mine might even be like lighter. I wanted Ayla's color hair, honestly. Oh, I think it's like the same kind of.
Oh, you should record video when you still.
Huh? Guys, so much is happening at Barnes & Noble. You both. Okay. So much is happening at Barnes & Noble. We're gonna fill you guys in the car because we're about to get kicked out. I'm gonna put the AC on. Hold on. Alright, so we're leaving Riverside Square Mall right now. It's like falling apart in there. Like they shut down all the restaurants because I don't know what happened, but health inspection came. They shut down all the restaurants. We were online to get something from Starbucks and they were like, sorry guys, we're shutting it down. Health inspection's here. Whatever.
And we were like next online too.
We were next online. We were literally just waiting for the guy to take our order. And I was rude to like 3 times. Like 3 people were rude to me. Oddly. I got told to shut my camera down.
The tractor thing.
Oh my god, a tractor, like the guys doing construction here. That's what the main thing that happened. Their tractor, I guess whoever was driving it drove right into a hole. It's like a huge hole. You know what? I'm gonna try to save the snap and maybe post it here if I can. Barnes & Noble is falling apart. So yeah, whoever was driving the tractor trailer drove into the hole. So my theory is that maybe they hit a pipe down there. And like the tractor is messed up. Like the windows are shattered. Like something happened. Hopefully whoever was driving it is safe. I'm sure they are.
There's a helicopter here too.
There's helicopters here. Like it's crazy. Like the only things that are open are the stores. But restaurants are closed. People are acting crazy. Thankfully they let Ayla get her book. Because I thought they were gonna kick me out because that lady was rude, the one that told me that I can't film the store. Like, I'm not filming the store, I'm filming my face. I film there all the time. All the time.
Maybe it's because they were doing construction that day. Like,
they're just in a, everyone working there right now is
in the escalator. What do you want us to see? That ceiling?
Yeah.
It makes no sense. But whatever.
Whatever. I need caffeine or something. Oh, good morning. It is the next day and I'm gonna go get coffee. But I wanted to show you guys this really cool thing that I ordered. So you know on Snapchat when like you get ads on Snapchat of products they're selling or apps they're promoting? Well, they were promoting this thing called the Spiegel. And I thought it was the coolest thing ever just because like whenever I'm driving and I need to put like directions on Google Map or something to follow the directions, I always have to hold the phone in my hand because I haven't found a good mount for my car that holds my phone. Like I swear to you guys, I bought so many different mounts for phones and they all fall apart while I'm driving. Like they break off and like it's been a struggle. And I'm like, why can't I find a good decent thing to put my phone on? So I saw the Spiegel and it was like a magnetic thing and it charges your phone. So I was like, you know what? The ad had popped up on my Snapchat so many times that I was like, I'm just gonna give it a try. So I ordered this thing like over a month ago because it wasn't ready to ship yet. It was like it's gonna ship in May or something. So finally it arrived this week and I love it, you guys. Like it's so cool. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this little boy right here is a Spiegel, and by the way, it looks so small on Snapchat and it's actually a pretty big decent size. So this side, and this was the perfect spot for me to put it because as you can see you have to put it on a flat surface. And here I don't know, I just didn't want something else here because a lot of times I vlog on one of these two mounts, so there's no point in putting it here too in case I'm vlogging also. And I didn't want it on this side because I'm used to looking at directions on this side. So whatever, I put it here, which is a perfect spot. It has this little wire here and you just connect it down here obviously. So that's what's gonna charge your phone, which I didn't even care about the charging. This is just like a bonus for me. What I wanted was something that would just stick and hold my phone. Here's my phone. And I don't know if it works with cases yet. The only reason I'm using it without a case is because I have the pop socket right in the middle and the pop socket won't really stick, but I think it does work with cases. But anyways, here's my phone. Voila, it just, oh, and it's charging. So it charges your phone, it holds your phone in place. You can maneuver it around because this little squiggly thing is flexible. And there, whenever I'm driving, I can just put directions right on here. It's so convenient. So cool. So cool. I'm blown away. Anyways, let's get out of here. I just feel the caffeine massaging my head. I'm gonna go get a pedicure right now. And then I gotta get back home and finish working. I have a lot of computer work. As you guys might know, I launched my new website. So I don't want to get back far. So I just took a shower again today because all of a sudden I started getting really bad allergies. Like I feel like puffy, my eyes are irritated. This eye was so red for a while, but I kept putting eye drops in it. I don't know, I just feel so uncomfortable now. And I don't know why in my head I just felt like, okay, if I take a shower, it's gonna cleanse me of the allergy. But you know what, I'm not gonna complain because I actually used to get really bad seasonal allergies, like really bad. And now I just get them a little bit, like I can deal with this. It's not too bad. Quick story for you guys. You know how I got a pedicure earlier? So this morning when I woke up, I looked at my legs, you know, like I'm like, should I shave my legs? Like, let me see if I need to shave my legs before my pedicure. Because, you know, you want to go there with your legs shaved, not hairy. And I looked at my legs and I was like, oh my God, my hair barely grew. I'm just going to wait and shave them tomorrow. So I go to get my pedicure. Thank you, sir. I go to get my pedicure. And again, when I'm in the parking lot of the mall, I look at my legs. I like roll up my pants to check my legs again. And I was like, let me double check. Like, am I hairy? Like, do I need to shave my legs? I check my legs and there's like nothing. So I'm like, okay, like, wow. Let me just go get my pedicure. I really didn't need to shave. So I go in, I sit down to get my pedicure. I'm rolling up my pants for her to start my pedicure. And all of a sudden, I see so much hair on my legs. And I'm like, wait, is the lighting different in here? Like, does it expose hair follicles or something? I felt like I was so embarrassed because in the salon lighting, you could see my hair growth so much more. And I was just like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm already here. I'm getting my damn pedicure. But I was just like, what the fuck? I really thought I didn't have that much hair on my legs. I mean, it wasn't crazy, but like the growth was there. I don't like that. I don't know. I don't like that. I always like to go with my legs shaved. I just went into a store right now and I was there maybe like 15 minutes. And when I came out, it was so, well, it is so dark outside. I think we're going to get a really crazy storm. Do you see how dark it is? I don't know what's happening over there. Look at the clouds. Damn it. I was going to go to Whole Foods, but I think I'm just going to go tomorrow instead and get something to eat now. So annoying because I don't know how bad the storm... I mean, the girl that I was talking to at the store, she was like, we're going to get a flood today or something. I'm like, really? And it's going to rain all night. Alright guys, I'm going to say goodnight here. I'm going to get comfy and get into bed, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!